Chapter 11, Measurements. Check my progress study guide, lessons 6 through 10. So good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening. I hope you guys are doing great, and we're going to go over the answers to this study guide so that you can do super great on your quiz. All right, first question. 9 cups equals how many fluid ounces? Remember, regular ounces measure weight. Fluid ounces measure capacity for liquids. Alrighty, so question number 1. We know that 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces. To get from 1 cup to 8 fluid ounces, you multiply by 8. Therefore, we're going to multiply 9 by 8, and that equals 72 fluid ounces. Question number 2. We have 32 quarts equals how many gallons? Well, we know that 4 quarts equals 1 gallon. We're going from quarts to gallons. This means we're going to be dividing by 4. 32 divided by 4 equals 8. So 32 quarts equals 8 gallons. Question number 3. 30 pints equals how many cups? 1 pint equals 2 cups. So to get from pints to cups, we're going to multiply by 2. Therefore, to get from pints to cups up here, we're going to multiply by 2. 30 times 2 equals 60. So 30 pints equals 60 cups. Question number 4. 4 gallons equals how many quarts? We know that 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. To get from gallons to quarts, you multiply by 4. So to get from gallons to quarts up here, you're going to multiply by 4, and that equals 16. So 4 gallons equals 16 quarts. Question 5 is a little bit more involved. Actually, it's quite more involved. All right. So I have 2 index cards here. We have 384 fluid ounces, and we want to get that to quarts. All right. I know that 8 ounces equals 1 cup. I know that 2 cups equals 1 pint. That means 16 ounces equals 1 pint. I also know that 2 pints equals 1 quart. Therefore, 32 ounces, and I apologize, these are fluid ounces, equals 1 quart. And that's the key here. So we have 384 fluid ounces equals how many quarts? We know that 32 ounces equals 1 quart. So we have to divide by 32. We have to divide by 32. So let me move this over here. We're dividing by 32. $384 divided by 32. 32 cannot divide 3. It can divide 38 once, which is 32. I subtract. Oops, I think I wrote this wrong. Nope, I didn't. Let me just see if I wrote this wrong. Hold on real quick. Yep, 384. Okay. So that's 6. Oops, sorry. 6. Bring that down. That's a 4. And then 2. And that's 64. 0. So that's 12. So we have 12 quarts. Question number 6. Get my card out here. We have 8 pints equals how many fluid ounces? We know that 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces. We know that 1 pint equals 2 cups, which equals 16 fluid ounces. So if we have 8 pints, that means we're going to go times 8. So that means we're going to have to multiply this times 8. So 16 times 8, 48, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, equals 128 fluid ounces. Question number 7. We have 50 meters and we're going to be converting that into centimeters. We know that 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. To get from meters to centimeters, we're multiplying by 100. So we have to multiply 50 times 100. So we have 100 times 50. And that would be 5 and 3 zeros. So that's 5,000. 5,000 centimeters. Question number 8. We have 2,000 meters and we're going to convert that to kilometers. Now you can say kilometers or kilometers, either one is okay. We know that 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer. This means to get from meters to kilometers, you would divide by 1,000. 2,000 divided by 1,000 equals 2. So 2,000 meters equals 2 kilometers. Question number 9. Complete the line plot of the measurements in the table, then find fair share. Well, in this table, it's a line plot. Now, I'm going to make the line plot with X's. I know that sometimes people use dots. You want to make sure that you use whatever your teacher uses or asks you to use. So people went out and they collected apples, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 people who went out. So 9 people collected apples. All right, so one person collected 1/4, another 1/4, another 1/4, another 1/4, another 1/4, and another 1/4. We have one that collected 1/2, 1/2, and 1/2. I know that 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 1 pound. Then here I have 1/2 and 1/2. 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 1 pound. Here I have 1/4 plus 1/4, and that equals 1/2. 2/4, which equals 1/2. And then here I have 1/2, and that equals 1 pound. So I have 1 pound, 1 pound, 1 pound. So that's a total of 3 pounds. Fair share means that even though people each collected a different amount, they want to split it up at the end of the day equally. So we're going to divide that by 9. So we're going to divide that by 9. So I can treat this like a fraction, 3/9. Well, I'm going to reduce this fraction, divide by 3, and I get 1/3 of a pound. So each person would go home with 1/3 of a pound of apples. And that's that. All right, so I wish you all good luck. And if any of these cause you an issue, you might want to go back and try some more. Again, you can go on to the computer and quiz yourself, because if you look up a conversion calculator online, you can make up some problems on your own and then quiz yourself. So always consider doing that. But I wish you good luck on your quiz. Have a great day.